No, go.
Yo, it's Deuce in the building. Circle R Flow Gang, SOM. Give me a second. Give me a second to clear my breath in. My best in. Rapid fire. Smith & Wesson. You get it right, you learn a lesson. True story. I'm racked up dressed in black calicoes 240s. And never let your lips get loose. Cause when troops and suits came, you should have been more careful, young slime, and stay true to the game. Cause when shooting from long range and them shots don't aim, that's when your ass done slipped up. I red dot your frame. Now think about it. Take a picture. This is not the same. You over in right field. This is not your lane. I'm running with heavy hitters, gorillas, and deadly spitters, and niggas who don't give a fuck for two shits in one sitting. I'm off the Jezebel. My soul's reaping the depths of hell. I'm wavy, baby, crazy with it, but fam, I never tell. Easy.